learn how to make a giant coloring page. Please remember to leave any comments below and give a thumbs up if you like this video. And remember to subscribe to keep updated with all of my latest tutorials. Let's get started. Things you will need to make a giant coloring page are scissors, packaging tape, multiple coloring pages, and some markers, pencil crayons, or crayons. First, take 2 pieces of paper and flip them over. Then place 2 edges together and cut off a large piece of packaging tape to the length of the paper, placing it on top between the 2 pages to secure them together. Continue repeating this to any side of the papers you'd like, to as big as you want your giant coloring page to be. Then have fun coloring it in. So thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to keep updated with all of my latest tutorials. And I hope you come back to see my next video. Bye!